Hi, I'm Rosalie Muscat, New Age Solar team member. Our company was founded by Jerry Sorgento in 2002 to provide integration and consulting services in the solar industry. As climate change creates more natural disasters and puts a greater strain on our country's aging grid, outages are more commonplace, leaving our citizens without access to power for days and even weeks. We believe power is a basic human right, so we decided to alter our mission and develop an emergency and off-grid solar and battery backup system. Enter the Mighty Power System. Our prefabricated plug-and-play system is composed of the Portable Power Generator Solar Array, which we call the PPG, and the Mighty Box Battery Backup Energy Storage Unit. Rugged and reliable, it delivers instant power where and when needed.
I'm Jerry Sorgento. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. So let's demonstrate how it works, its applications, and why we believe our innovation is exciting, unique, and necessary.
When called to provide emergency power, our system is easily and rapidly deployed. The crossbars and large caster wheels enable one person to move each patented PPG, which contains 1,200 DC watts of solar power. 2 people are needed for setup. Positive locking pins are used to hold open and lock in place every movable part, so no tools or special training is needed. For maximum power production, the PPG is positioned to face where the noonday sun will be. The PPG is unfolded and then lifted. In 2 swift motions, the windscreen is fully opened. Each PPG has 8 claws, each with 12 protrusions penetrating the ground under the windscreen for additional protection against wind loads and seismic activity. The PPG's lifting aperture even allows deployment by aircraft to critical areas inaccessible by traditional vehicles. Caster wheels are removed to deter theft. Trunk cables network PPGs together. The Mighty Box standard unit has 4 AGM 129 amp-hour batteries, inverter, and all related electronics, and it's safe to use indoors.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I am the energy storage specialist with New Age Solar. The Mighty Box, as you see it, contains a 4,400 watt inverter that will put out 120, 240 volts AC. It's out here in the weather. It's been here all winter. Used to power the milking machines and the stuff around the farm. It has the outlets all around it, as you can see here, for plugging a generator in. This is the 2 PPGs. You could plug in more here, and this is running to the house to power the loads. You can unplug the PPGs from the Mighty Box and roll the Mighty Box down, to his chicken processing facility, if you will. And like any solar system, the snow on the modules, of course, they're not going to make electricity. The nice thing about the Mighty Box is it has a generator input, so you can take a big generator, hook up to it, and you can charge the batteries.
Unlike other backup systems which remain idle during non-emergencies, PPGs can be working all the time. By networking PPGs together in series, generating low amperage and high voltage, grid-tied ground-mounted installations can be built to lower energy bills and carbon footprint, providing ROI for the end user. When instant power is needed elsewhere, PPGs are unplugged, deployed to the emergency site, and then united with the Mighty Box for in-parallel battery charging, producing high amperage and low voltage without any internal wiring changes. This is the basis for the PPG's 3rd patent. The recent catastrophic events in Texas and last year's major hurricanes and rolling blackouts are not isolated events. Our potential customers are first responders, utilities, government agencies, firefighters, municipalities, military, developing nations, non-profits providing essential services, and private investors. With decades of solar power, energy storage, electrical, mechanical, and business experience, our team can overcome any challenges to achieve success. Winning the American-made Solar Prize Round 4 set contest will enhance our ability to more quickly bring the Mighty Power System to market at a time when climate change and grid failures are impacting almost every state in the country and putting our citizens in jeopardy without the proper resources to help them. The Mighty Power System will change that with a smarter and better way to deliver emergency and off-grid power. There's nothing else like it under the sun.